Hello everyone, I am in front of one of the most famous buildings in the world, the Colosseum. It's an icon, the icon of the Eternal City, the first thing you think of when you think about Rome. But do we really know what the Colosseum used to be and why is it called like this? The Colosseum was basically a stadium in which three kinds of shows were taking place. The Venationes, the fights between animals like tigers and lions, the capital executions through the use of wild animals, and, of course, most of all, the gladiator fights, the real stars of the Colosseum. And you have to imagine that the gladiators were more or less the equivalent of football players today, really popular. Some authors also talk about naumachias, which were naval battles inside the Colosseum filled up with water. But how big is the Colosseum? Its name already suggests us its colossal size. It is a remarkable size indeed. In fact, it's the biggest monument of ancient Rome still surviving today. Its capacity was between 50,000 and 70,000 spectators, a capacity that can be well compared with modern stadiums today. For example, the Olympic Stadium of Rome can count 72,000 spectators, so it's only slightly bigger. You can make a comparison with the closest stadium to you to have an idea of the size of this building. But did you know that the real name of the Colosseum is actually Flavian Amphitheater? Flavian because it was built by the emperors of the Flavian dynasty. It was initiated by Vespasian in 72 AD, then inaugurated by Titus in 80 AD, with some addition by Domitian in 90 AD. And the word amphitheater comes from the Greek amphi, which means two, and theater, so it means a double theater. This is how these structures like this are called, amphitheaters. So then, why the whole world knows this as the Colosseum? The tradition wants that the Colosseum takes its name from a colossal statue of the Emperor Nero, which was located just next to it. Right here, where the trees are. Here you see there is a modern, of course, inscription, which says area of the basement of the colossal statue of Nero. So this is where the statue was located. And there is a reason why it was called the Colossus, because it was as high as a 10-story building. So you have to imagine that it was just a few feet shorter than the Statue of Liberty of New York. And it's from the Middle Ages that the Colosseum will take its name from this colossal statue. But how could you attend a show at the Colosseum? Did you need a ticket for it? To find out more, watch my next video.